Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne and I'm excited to provide you with our helpful video tutorials so you can easily understand how to use Excel. If you're entering data that starts with 0, you may notice that Excel automatically removes the zeros, leaving only the number in the cell. There are two methods for preventing Excel from removing leading zeros. The first is to format the cells as text before entering data into the table. The second is to format existing numbers in the table as text, which will add leading zeros to the numbers. We will begin by applying the first instance before any numbers are added to the cells of the table. In this first case, we can simply reformat the cells as a text cell. To format cells as text, first select the cells you would like to work with. Then, right-click and select the option Format Cells. In the category field, choose Text and click OK to apply the formatting. If you add extra zeros to the numbers in the table, Excel will maintain the original number formatting that was entered. Once we finish inputting the leading zeros, Excel will indicate this by placing a small green triangle in the corner of each cell. This lets you know that although the numbers are present, they have been formatted as text. As we have done this intentionally, we can click on the indicator, choose to Ignore Error, and continue working. In addition, there is another straightforward method to show zeros before numbers in cells. However, this time the cells in the table are not empty, as they are already populated with the respective numbers. To format cells containing numbers, select the area containing the data and use a right-click to select Format Cells. Select the Custom option and enter the required number of zeros in the field above to specify the number of digits the cells should display. So, for example, if you would like your cells to display 4-digit numbers, you can enter 4 zeros and press OK in Excel. This will cause Excel to add as many leading zeros to the numbers as needed to make all figures display 4 digits. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.